Next question, HL7 version 2 is mostly a push. For example, a patient is registered and the event is sent to my application as an ADT transaction. It doesn't need to know there's a new patient. FHIR seems to be pull-oriented. We would have to ask if there's two patients. And the question comes from Paul. So yeah, that's a great summary of HL7 version 2. FHIR does have, I just mentioned the messaging paradigm. So there's sort of, FHIR is really this open book. The RESTful part that I described in the talk is really one pillar. There's also messaging, which is, again, support for real-time transactions, event-based notifications, and then FHIR becomes sort of a data modeling tool. FHIR supports documents, so replaces CDA, and then sort of you have a bundle of elements that's a snapshot of a given point in time, and those resources are useful together. And then you can use FHIR as sort of transactions. So you just take a big bundle of resources and you say, hey, do all this at once. There's lots of different paradigms you can use FHIR in. Check out our FHIR messaging documentation that's on developer.redoxengine.com, and you can kind of see how that looks. Again, it's it's been in there since the beginning of FHIR, so it's pretty well thought out. And no signs that it's going to replace HL7 version 2 anytime soon, but yeah, it's definitely capable of doing all the same stuff.